Good morning, class 7. This is the first chapter of computer. The name of this chapter is computer system. We will discuss about computing device, computer and their major component, function of computer component, computer device, function of input device, types of device, function of output device and their examples, and finally system. Now I am going to explain computing device. In computing, an input device is peripheral used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system such as a computer or other information appliance. Example of input device include keyboard, mice, scanner, digital cameras and joystick. Next, computer. We all know that computer is an electronic machine which performs various functions. The computer is the one most powerful invention in human history. Today, it has touched almost every part of our life. It has increased the productivity, creativity and self-learning skills. The computer has two main components, hardware and software. The physical component of computer that can touch are known as hardware. The instructions that are given to the computer make it perform some tasks is the software. Hardware. The main component of hardware is input device, CPU and output device. Next, input device. Through input device, put in data. The main input device are keyboard and mouse. Function of keyboard is type information that goes directly into the computer, but mouse is used to point and select a specific instruction. Optical scanner, joystick, digital camera and microphone are the example of input device. Next, CPU. It means central processing unit. It is the main part of computer where the processing data takes place. The CPU is made up of three units: control unit, ALU and memory. Control unit, all the parts of computer is decided which each parts of computer should do and send instruction. ALU, it means arithmetic and logical unit. All the arithmetic calculation and logical comparison are performed by ALU. Memory unit is for storing temporary processing result program instruction. Next, output device. These devices convert the computer information into human reliable form. The main output devices are monitor and printer, speaker. Next, storage device. The computer needs a storage device for permanent storage of program and data. Printer. On the basis of their printing technique and speed, printer are classified into two categories: impact printer and non-impact printer. Impact printer were earlier printer. These printer print one character at a time. Dot max printer and line printer is important for this. And non-impact printer. Next to come non-impact printer. This quality is very good. Inkjet printer, laser printer is example of non-impact printer. Next, software. What is software? One or more program makes a software. What is program? The set of instructions given to the computer based on which the computer processes the data and gives us information as output is known as program. Programs are written in language that computer can follow. First language to be used was the machine language, which consisted of all data and instruction coded in a series of 0 and 1. Machine language and assembly language were considered to be low-level language. Let's come high-level language such as a basic COBOL. Today the most popular language are C++, Java, Visual Basic and Visual C. Next, software of two important types of software: application software and system software. A software which is designed to help the users in performing a specific application is called an application software. Example of this is MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. System software, the complete need to understand instruction. This is done by another set of software is known as system software. Next, binary system. The binary system has only two digits, 0 and 1. So when switch is on, it represents 1. When switch is off, it represents 0. Each of these two digits is called bit. A group of 8 bit is called byte. Okay, finish this chapter. I hope you all understand this chapter. We hope with the help of this pattern, the students would benefit and enjoy the learning process. Thank you.